Welcome to the Hot Pixels course on composition, where you will learn to compose your photos like a pro. Do you ever get stuck with camera settings and confused with all that technical jargon? Bypass all that left brain stuff and learn the artistic side of photography first. You know, the fun stuff. Do you dream of shooting stunning photos time after time after time? Well, mastering the art of composition is the fastest way to instantly improve your images. Hi, my name is Ray. I've been shooting landscapes for decades, and I'm also a qualified teacher. Let me show you my secrets for crafting successful images. Let's delve into the fundamentals of composition theory so your photos look balanced. We will learn about perspective, symmetry, cropping, framing, and how to layer your photos to create the illusion of depth, and how to use lead-in lines to manipulate the viewer's eyes. We will learn the importance of eye direction and negative space. We'll understand how a clever use of color and texture can eliminate some elements to create a great abstract image. But that's not all. So you remember what you've learned, you can download cheat sheets on each topic and worksheets for each exercise. That's right, you've got to put this theory into practice. Plus, you get my 14-page ebook on composition absolutely free. Well, what are you waiting for? Enroll now. See you on the inside.